Thank you very much for this introduction. Uh, Chairperson of this conference, my childhood colleague, Professor Dr. Ramesh Kumar Mahajan, distinguished dignitaries on the dais, of the dais, all the colleagues from abroad and Nepal. I'm very much delighted to be part and parcel of this conference. Thank you very much for organizing committee. My colleague already shared the present context, how we are dealing with the happening flooding and its consequences. Preparedness is really very important. As we see globally, strengthening health emergency prevention, preparedness, response, and increasing resilience. We talked a lot about it, and we have done a lot about it. But it's still, the unnoticed things and estimated things happens. So we are challenged every moment. How we have to respond. So colleagues, this conference definitely bring some important message, and this message as a recommendation to the related authorities, so that authorities like governments and government workers like us will get some important evidences or suggestions to apply in everyday implementing approaches for responding and even more preparing our system. So my colleague already share as the community level, pre-hospital level, even hospital level, and not only that, the post-hospital sort of things. If these entities are connected in some way or others, and if we can find the better ways how we connect all these entities, so that we will be better prepared for any kind of disasters, and when it happens, we will be in better position to respond it properly, and also learning from all these events, we will be able to protect our community in greater perspective. So this conference, in my view, and on behalf of ministry, we take it very important steps, and we must thank Professor Dr. Ramesh and all the colleagues from around the globe. And I can see, the global leaders are here just to, share their experiences, and our colleagues, young colleagues, are also here, who are really, thinking how they can best, support the system. And I also take this opportunity to thank you all for your innermost aspirations to contribute to the system. And I must say, doing little things at your level, surely contribute to the whole system. So in part as a small, but we come together, it will be a big support for all the systems. Systems means for the community, for the districts, province, nation, and the region, and maybe globally also. And our global leaders who are gathered here, and they are really their presence is so praiseworthy, and we must learn from them. And from personally, from my side and from on behalf of ministry, I would like to thank all of you for your time, for your dedications, and for your contribution. With these few words, in interest of time, I would like to end my sayings here. Thank you very much. Enjoy. Thank you.